Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray color, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got dual exhaust, rear park sensing. We do get a Pro Access Tailgate with this vehicle. And it just shows you measurements as well, allows you to have easy access to your tailgate. You have your Pro Power onboard just right there, which is pretty nice. And I'm just going to close this. We do get, maybe if I can find it, a powered tailgate. And let's just say you're carrying a lot of stuff with your hands, and you want to lift up the gate. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically for you. Continue to look at the vehicle. We do have a nice black gripped running board. We got side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors with spotlight mirrors as well. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, and of course you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Got cup holders ahead of you, and a 12 volt, the sun, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. Same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. We got powered mirrors, memory seating for the 3 drivers. We do get Blue Cruise in this vehicle as well. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlight mirrors, and tailgate opener on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at, had to reset that, it's 81 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. And looking at our main screen here, we have our towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. And all the way at the top, we do have off-road, gauges, trip and feel, and my view. And over here, we have our leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters, also collapsible, storage right there, cup holders, more storage, USB and USB-C, and it does close. Leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage underneath. We do have our rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect up above, Pro Trailer Assist, your engine start, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120, got storage above as well as below, storage right there. We do get a nice rear window opener as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You got your Pro Power onboard, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction, and there's that Blue Cruise. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capable. There's your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB46609, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.